A simple trick that most people don't think about when cooking a chicken thigh is that it's possible to debone it, which means you can fill it or you can fry it a lot easier in a pan, and it has a lot of advantages. And I'll do it like this. Turn over the chicken so the back side's up, then you got a handle. Hold that while you cut off the tendons up near the claw, where the claw used to be. You don't have to cut hard, but you have to get it all over. Then cut along the bone and cut down on the side where it folds, sort of the inner side of the V. Cut down to the other side of the bone, so you almost get under it, and then cut on the outside too. And you can't always see what you're doing, so sometimes you have to feel it with your fingers and the knife. Like this. Then you cut down on the underside of the bone, so you free all the meat. You have to do that for the top of the thigh too. Go below it and then just cut along the bone so you free it all. Then you can scrape and cut. And at some time you have the two bones free. And then you have to cut around the knee joint. Just cut carefully. There's a lot of tough materials here that isn't meat. We don't want that. Just cut outside it. And if you can feel you're cutting into something that isn't meat, then just move the knife away from the bone a little bit. But be careful not to do it too much, because then you will make a big hole in the middle of your chicken steak. So this is ready for the broth pan. And this looks fine. And you can feel if there's a few bones left over with your fingers. Just massage the meat and feel if there's any hard stuff. And I have shown this without editing, so it takes about 2 minutes to do it. It's very easy and it's a good technique to know. Try it. Enjoy. And you can find the list of ingredients and the recipe on kvalifood.